Good evening everyone, welcome to my vlog. How are you all today? You know the aircon is so cold. I need the blanket to cover my body. Very cold. I feel cold. Me, I'm okay. My work is the same. I just want to ask, how are you all, everyone? Happy weekend. It's weekend tomorrow. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Long time I did not make a video. Sometimes I'm so tired making video. Sometimes I'm missing you. See, if I don't make a video, I miss you all. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a Christmas party again to attend with my fellowship group and our sharing group. Saturday night team congregation. We combine the Christmas party because some of my friend is going vacation to Philippines. That's why we combine the Christmas party so that the others that they gonna go to Philippines, they can attend. Anyway, before I go sleep, guys, I just want to ask, how are you everyone? And have a good night sleep. See you tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm gonna be busy tomorrow. Maybe I'm gonna come home late because after the Christmas party, I'm going straight to the church. I'm gonna volunteer in our church. Even though I'm so busy, I see time for God to serve in the church. That's why even when I'm still studying, I make sure that I can still have time to go to the church to attend service or volunteers in a sharing ministry. To thank God, that's the only thing I can return to God, to serve in His kingdom through Every Nation Church, Abu Dhabi. Bye guys, enjoy your weekend everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.